So first of all, I'm very excited to be hosting the full LEO system for upright patient treatment, imaging and positioning in our center very shortly. What is wonderful about it that having the experience of having to install new systems, new proton therapy devices, and not having the ability to test them ahead of time before it goes into the treatment room, us even being a manufacturer of it, this gives us a unique advantage from that standpoint, that we will be better prepared to not just test the technology, test the integration, test the workflows, and test the usability of it way before we have to implement it. So this gives us a leg up and a heads up and allows us to be ahead of the game before we have to install it. We have made quite a bit of progress on the construction. We have already poured some concrete in the room, have completed the design, completed the workflow studies that allowed us to get to the design point. So construction project is going really well and it is on track. We are planning at the next phase of actually completing level of testing in the very room that we are standing in, and it's going to be testing both the chair that we are looking at as well as the CT that's going to be installed in a few weeks. So we are going to be at a better spot by the end of the year, being ready to transition this technology into a treatment room after we do all the testing that we have planned to do in this test room.